Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a KonMari and declutter my entire wardrobe, and today's video is actually sponsored by Poshmark. I have been selling my stuff on Poshmark for so long and I absolutely love it. Marlo wants to be a part of this video too. Can you say hi? Marlo hasn't been on a video in a long time, so she's probably really excited. Make sure that you download the app in the description box below, that way you can shop my closet. This is what my closet looks like, and I have a lot of my items that I have sold here before. These are all sold items, but as you can see, I have listed quite a bit. I also sell a lot of my kids' clothes on there, especially like Cash's clothes or Cooper's clothes, little boys' clothes that are in pretty good condition. So I have sold a lot of things on here, and I'm going to show you guys some more stuff that I will have listed. So make sure that you check that out once you're done. Poshmark is definitely not just for selling your items. You can also buy items on there, and I especially like it for items that are like really expensive and someone might have worn them like once or twice and then they're selling it for way cheaper than they actually bought it for. And I'm a fan of shopping secondhand. I always have been, and probably always will be. I love a good deal, and I feel like there's just so much that you can do on Poshmark. So if you haven't checked it out, definitely check it out below. And let's go ahead and get started on decluttering my wardrobe, and I'm going to show you guys some of the stuff that I'm going to be getting rid of, and you can purchase it from me through my closet. So I pulled everything out of my closet. This pile is embarrassingly massive with like random pieces of clothing thrown in, because I have a terrible habit of not putting my clothes up after I wash them. They will stack up folded. I can fold them, but they don't make it to my closet. So I've got two dressers, one here and one here, and I'm like, where did all my clothes go? Oh wait, they're stacked up. It's just a mess. So I thought, if I can condense this into clothing that I actually wear on a daily basis or a weekly basis and get rid of the stuff that I'm not wearing, then I thought maybe it would be a little bit easier for me. So I'm gonna go through this pile, figure out what I'm gonna keep and what I'm not. So I will probably make 3 piles. One pile will be the stuff that I'm going to keep, the other pile will be stuff that I'm going to sell on Poshmark, and the other pile will be things that I'm going to donate. So let's go ahead and get started. I have a feeling this is going to take me a little while.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
So this pile is what I have decided to keep. These are all the things that are gonna go back in my closet. These are also things that I'm keeping. These are like jeans, shorts, pants, whatever. A lot of those are dirty right now, so that's not all that I have. I've got some more, but if they're being washed, more than likely I'm gonna keep them because I just wore them. A lot of the things that I'm getting rid of are things that I haven't worn in a while. So this pile fell down because there's so much here that I'm going to be getting rid of. This pile right here is probably donate stuff because it either has like a little stain on it or like a rip or something. But these are a lot of the things that I'm going to be getting rid of, and I'll kind of go through them here real quick just to kind of give you an idea. And there's nothing wrong with them, it's just that I haven't worn them in a while, or some things I haven't worn at all. So some of the things that I'm putting in my closet are these little black Mossimo shorts. These really cute shorts, never been worn. I think I took the tags off of them, but I could be lying. Still has this, it's weird. So anyways, these are a size 2, but loft stuff runs big, so if you wear like a size 4 or 6, they'll probably fit you. I've got some Abercrombie shorts here that are pretty, almost like brand new. I've worn them like twice maybe. Those are, I'll leave all the sizes whenever you see my closet. All of the information will be there, so I don't want to have to like tell you all the sizes right now. This is by Z Supply, and it's just a green tank with a little pocket. That's actually really cute. I don't know, I might change my mind. I've got some cardigans. This is just an Old Navy cardigan. It's like a taupey blush color. It's not quite blush, but I guess like a taupe. Then I've got some Articles of Society shorts. These are, I'll tell you the size on these because they actually run a little bit small. I normally like a 28 or sometimes 27. These fit more like a snug 27. So if you're a little bit less hippier than I am, these will fit you great. They're so cute, and I wish they fit better because they're adorable. I've got this Free People like bodycon dress, and yeah, it's from ThredUp. I got some shorts from Forever 21 here. These are like high-rise destroyed shorts. I've got a pink Madewell tank with a little pocket right here. This little Mossimo gray, is it long sleeve? Yeah, long sleeve. It's got the shoulders cut out here. I've got another cardigan. I believe this is a Wantable cardigan. I have a lot of cardigans from Wantable. Yeah, a Wantable cardigan. This loft shirt with the buttons down the front, it has the tags on it still. This is a size small. I don't know why I never wore it. It's really cute, but I never wore it, so. And then I've got like a blush colored Old Navy top with a pocket right here. This is a size medium. You can wear that with leggings. I've got a top right, I think it's Chasor. It's an expensive brand. This little like little bit dressier top. Not too dressy, but like you could pair with some jeans and boots. I got this button-up striped shirt. Okay, this is just getting insane. This is a lot of stuff. I've got dresses, a romper. I've got some Express jeans here. So make sure that you check out my closet whenever this video is over, and you can see all of this stuff because I could be talking about this forever. This is a lot of stuff to be getting rid of, so make sure to check out my closet. Sorting them all out when they were out on the bed. That's what I've done the past couple of like closet organization videos. I thought I would just hang up all the ones that I'm keeping and then kind of rearrange them once they're in the closet. I feel like it kind of just saves some time because I would end up like going back and forth and like making these different piles, and then like, I don't know, it just took up so much time when I thought, I'm gonna try something a little bit different this time. Put it all up in the closet and just kind of like move stuff around. I'm not that picky when it comes to like where my stuff goes. I'm gonna try to put jackets at the end, and then like cardigans together, sweaters together, and then like regular shirts together, and then tanks together. And of course I've got a lot of things that are not clean, so a lot of stuff that needs to be washed probably. So right below this right here I have this area. This is where my pants and my jeans go, so I haven't brought that stuff in yet, but this is the biggest area of stuff that I have, so I'm gonna work on this first and then bring the rest of it in after that. So these are all a few pair of shoes that I'm going to be listing in my closet as well. These 3 are from Target. This pair is from Dottie Couture and I never wore them. They are so cute. Be sure to check out my closet if you guys are interested in purchasing any of these shoes. That is it for my KonMari and declutter my closet video. I hope you enjoyed it and maybe it gave you some motivation to declutter your own wardrobe and make things just a little bit easier on yourself. Don't forget to check out the link below and download the Poshmark app, and then go and check out my closet. Maybe shop around, maybe you saw something in my video that I'm getting rid of that you liked, and go check out my closet before it sells out or before it gets sold. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.